ritual called the ipat. Okay? Ngayon yung ipat na yan, it connects humans and spirits.
Wow!
May kalaliman, very spiritual.
Wow.
Okay, you want me to give you some more knowledge?
Yes,
Here,
please.
I will go. This colorful flotilla, like flotilla, called a lemba, displays traditional heirlooms of the Sultanate as part of their ritual offering, along with flags, wall decor, and brassware, which are all symbolic.
At ito ang hindi nyo akalaing alam ko. May rice drain, yan, a miniature spirit house, and an ornamental boat called Biday. Decorate the float. Yan, o.
At yung narinig po natin, syempre, ay yung kulintang music. It provides the ambience as a shaman recites ancient verses to summon the spirits and the elements. Mirroring the past as a priceless heritage, that's Cotabato's ipat. Kita po natin, very colorful talaga ang float nila.
Oo, tapos yung bata daw, yung bata. Yung bata.
Kumakaway, kaway!
Yeah!
That guy right there. I like that guy there.
Very spiritual, mukhang kaluluwa yung isang bata.
Connect.
Correct. Correct sa connect.
From the historic city of Cotabato.
Cotabato.
Stone Fortress.
Stone Fortress.
Yung Cotabato, hindi ipat. Cotabato.
Check lang kita kung alert ka.
Stone Fortress. Yeah. How can you not know that?
I don't know it, but both of you now, you watch this. Now look up.
Mas mabes na 5 chance test.